Hello kids, how are you? Welcome to Fun for Kids channel. I have already completed letter A to L. For that, please visit my channel and like, share, subscribe also. Now today, let us learn the letter M. M is a consonant. M is for monkey, monkey. M is for man, man. M is for moon, moon. M is for map, map. M is for mountain, mountain. M is for mailbox, mailbox. M is for mushroom, mushroom. M is for mother, mother. M is for mug, mug. M is for mirror, mirror. M is for muscle, muscle. N is for macaw, macaw. M is for mat, mat. M is for mask, mask. M is for music, music. M is for monster, monster. M is for mole, mole. M is for market, market. M is for mango, mango. M is for milk, milk. M is for money, money. M is for mice, mouse, mouse. M is for minibus, minibus. M is for magnet, magnet. M is for mop, mop. M is for mud, mud. M is for marble, marble. M is for museum, museum. M is for monorail, monorail. M is for mice, mice. M is for mouth, mouth. Thank you kids for watching this channel. Like, share, subscribe. See you in our next video. Bye.